As Chief World Explorer, I know I can get there, whether it's napping in the sun or conditioning my chest hair. I've been to a few places, so you know I can travel. I've seen smiling faces and great stories unravel. I'm a man of music, of writing, of drama, turning phrases so moving you'll write home to your mama. The skills at my disposal, I'll travel with purpose. I give you this proposal to take to its furthest. I'm a taster of cuisine and a videographer. I once lived at sea with a bunch of entrepreneurs. I spent a whole semester traveling and blogging, and if we work together we can give poverty a flogging. I'm ready to go exploring to take on the new and weird. My name is Braden and I've got a nice beard. John Chavaroo.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description below to go to this video's page and hit the big red like button to support me and my campaign to become Chief World Explorer. Thank you.